Hi readers, welcome to Read to Me, Miss D, where every page opens a brand new adventure for us. I'm Miss D, and I'm very excited that you're here today for another story time full of fun. And remember that before we open today's book, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a new Read Aloud. Are you ready? Let's read together If You Take a Mouse to School by Laura Numeroff. I wonder what would happen if you took a mouse to school. Oh. If you take a mouse to school. There's a picture of the kitchen. If you take a mouse to school, he'll ask you for your lunchbox. When you give him your lunchbox, he'll want a sandwich and a snack for later. Then he'll need a notebook and some pencils. He'll probably want to share your backpack too. When you get to school, he'll put his things in your locker and take a look around. Let's see if you can find him on this page. Point to him if you find him. He might do a little math. Can you find him on this page? And spell a word or two. He'll even try a science experiment. Then he'll need to wash up. You'll have to take him to the bathroom. What would you do if you were in a situation like this? Once he's nice and clean, he'll be ready for his lunch. On the way to the lunchroom, he'll see some building blocks. He'll build a little mouse house. What do you think they're thinking when they see this? And make some furniture out of clay. Then he'll need some books for his bookshelf. He'll start by writing one of his own, so he'll need a lot of paper. He'll probably use up all your pencils. When he's finished, he'll want to read his book to you. Do they look like they want to have a book read to them by a mouse? Then he'll want to take it home, so he'll put it in your lunchbox and tuck it in a safe place. Can you find the mouse? He's in 2 spots. When the bell rings, he'll run out to wait for the bus. Can you find him on this page? While he's waiting, he'll play a quick game of soccer. Then he'll ask you to shoot a few baskets. Wow. And do a little skateboarding. Do you see him now? Look at him go. When he stops to catch his breath, he'll want to eat his snack. So he'll ask you for your lunchbox. And chances are if he asks you for your lunchbox, you'll have to take him back to school. Because that's where he left it. Oh. Today's story was very fun. Thanks so much for reading with me today. And if you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Read to Me, Miss D. And don't forget to tap the bell so you don't miss our next Read Aloud adventure. See you next time for another story full of imagination and fun. Bye from now, from Miss D. Bye-bye.